This is my 1992 Honda fourtrax Type 2. I got it about a week ago and trying to get it running. As you can see, this thing is in pretty rough shape at the moment. I do have all the body for it. I've been, sanding it, getting all the old paint off of it and repainting it. I'm about to take the top end of the motor off and clean it all. It was locked up and I got it unlocked. It still has compression, but I'm going to take the top end off and clean it and adjust the valves. If anybody has any tips on this type of four-wheeler, please let me know.